Alright, you guys, so trailer number 2 has leaked early for Dragon Ball Super Broly. And, guys, the rumors are true. This trailer does indeed primarily, concentrate on, the past of Broly, Goku, and Vegeta, starting with, with Frieza's first original encounter with King Vegeta and the rest of the Saiyan race. Only this time, it appears as though the first meeting was actually compliments of an invasion that actually features not only Frieza, but the return of Frieza's father, King Cold, who basically flat out tells King Vegeta, along with the rest of his people, that basically from now on you're all going to succumb to Frieza's orders and will. And basically then we cut to both Goku and Vegeta, weirdly enough, in their incubators as babies, and King Vegeta walks up to baby Vegeta and says, this is truly the future of the Saiyan race. This is my son, my legacy, and he is truly gifted. And then we cut to Bardock basically saying how right from his first meeting with Frieza, that for some unknown reason, as of this trailer, obviously that he doesn't trust Frieza, and then it basically cuts to Goku being Goku and Broly basically being put into space pods. Only the obvious exception is Broly, being put into the space pod, to basically begin, exile, because once again, just like in the old Broly movie, guys, King Vegeta has found Broly's power too dangerous. But Paragus does say, someday I'll get revenge on you, King Vegeta. But instead of Paragus and Broly both being on the planet, when it explodes, like in Dragon Ball Z Movie 8, Paragus actually flies out King Vegeta's palace, and I guess goes after Broly. I guess you could call it a vampire or some kind of weird egg. And then finally, guys, as I said, we do get to see the anime debut of Gine. Yes, people, this is straight out of Dragon Ball Minus. Goku and Bardock and Gine, excuse me, straight out of the Dragon Ball Minus chapter, together, they place Goku in his space pod at the age of 3, and basically in a very emotional moment, basically see his space pod lift off, and also we do see the return of Zarbon, Dodoria, and even the Ginyu Force, which obviously that shows that that surprisingly the Ginyu Force was already formed while King Cold was still in control of the Galactic Empire. And then, guys, the final scene in the trailer is basically Goku and Vegeta and Broly all grown up, and it shows Goku and Vegeta in Super Saiyan mode, and Broly delivering another knockout punch. And that's basically how this trailer ends. Now, guys, there is one major thing I have to say about Frieza, and that is Akira must have redesigned Frieza's first form, or that this is a younger version of Frieza, because his first form looks completely different. Like instead of just some of Frieza's skin being light pink, in this movie, at least in this flashback, we are going to see Frieza in this bright pink first form, and you could say it's almost like strawberry looking pink. But again, guys, Bardock does not get killed with the death energy ball that Frieza ultimately does obviously blow up the planet Vegeta with. Because again, guys, the Bardock that we are going to see in the movie, in the flashback, is the Dragon Ball minus version of Bardock. And I know Dragon Ball minus has a lot of distaste and many members of this community here, but I personally think that the Dragon Ball minus version of Bardock is the better version to go with in this movie, and that courtesy of Akira, basically eradicating the original Bardock special. But however, guys, in a way you have to think that Dragon Ball minus Bardock was actually obviously a lot more caring, as we know. So yeah, guys, that was basically the trailer in its entirety. Again, some of the CGI at the beginning of King Cold's invasion of the movie did look slightly off, but I think it all does depend on how you view it. But let's keep in mind, guys, that is not the finished trailer quite yet. Like, all the trailers that we're seeing, like that's not the final cut yet. They still have over a month left before they have to premiere it in Japan at Budokan, and as I said again, the English dub version of this trailer will be arriving tomorrow at 6 or 7 o'clock Eastern Time sharp, courtesy of New York Comic Con. So guys, again, the trailer looks great, and let's stay tuned to see the return of Bardock in English dub.